Presbyopia, the age-related loss of near vision, affects billions worldwide, yet its treatment has long been limited to corrective lenses. But what if we could restore the eye's natural ability to focus, not just compensate for its decline? At AAO 2025, AnnMarie Hipsley, PDT, PhD, founder of AC Vision Group, unveiled groundbreaking research that challenges traditional lens-centric approaches to presbyopia. Her work shifts the focus to a systems-level understanding of the eye, exploring how its biomechanical components, like the pupil, sclera, and zonular pathways, work in harmony to achieve clear vision. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the lens, it's about the dynamic interplay of these elements, from pupil dynamics to higher-order aberrations, that holds the key to vision restoration. Hipsley's insights are backed by cutting-edge technologies like dynamic OCT, UVM, and real-time wavefront aberrometry, which provide unprecedented detail into ocular function. But here's where it gets controversial. By incorporating AI-driven simulations and tools like the Virtual Eye Simulation Analyzer, VESA, her team is creating virtual reality eyes and conducting AI-enabled clinical trials. Could this be the future of personalized eye care, or are we overstepping ethical boundaries with such advanced simulations? Dan Goldberg's animated visualizations of zonular pathways and Brooks' membrane have already made complex concepts more accessible, but they also raise questions about how far we should go in replicating human physiology digitally. The ultimate goal: restoring the eye's natural elasticity and balance, the hallmarks of youthful vision. By integrating AI and new biometrics, Hipsley's team aims to develop treatments that go beyond vision correction to restore complete physiological function. But is this ambition realistic, or are we setting expectations too high? While the potential to reduce the global burden of presbyopia is transformative, it also invites debate about accessibility, cost, and the ethical implications of such advanced interventions. As we stand on the brink of a new era in eye care, one question lingers: will this research democratize vision restoration, or will it widen the gap between those who can and cannot afford cutting-edge treatments? Share your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear from you.